So we're here na guys at Cambugahay and we're going down. Grabe ang steep pala ng ano dito, ng steps. Buti naman maganda yung ano nila, yung hagdan nila. And maaga tayong pumunta ngayon kasi I tried going here the day before yesterday. Tapos punong-puno na ng tao sa labas. So the driver told me to go earlier para makapasok tayo habang hindi pa masyadong marami. Pero it's around 8 plus AM right now. Tapos ang daming tao. I mean, not that much compared nung sa the day before yesterday. Pero madami-dami na sila. And I can already see the falls from here. Siguro we're halfway there na from the stairs. Ang ganda ng stairs, diba? So, I paid 50 pesos nga pala for the entrance fee. And I also got myself a drink para pag pagod tayo mamaya, meron tayong iinumin. So, naka-ready na rin yung damit natin para hindi na magpalit-palit ang hassle. After nito, we'll try to go sa Bolo Bolo.
Wes.
So we're done with our ferry walk guys here at Cambugahay Falls. And let's go back na kasi hindi na ako naligo dito sa taas. Let's see if swing jump ulit tayo dun sa baba. Ulit? I mean, yung last ko was doon sa Lugnason Falls. So, sabi doon, yun daw ang highest swing rope here in the island. So, tingnan natin habang may time tayo. Ano, talon? Ano, tara na. Tara umuwi. Try natin.
Jump! Jump! Jump!
And we're done jumping. Guys, tingnan nyo. So, uwi na tayo. Let's go up para mag lunch siguro. Ganyan, paramihan ang mga tao. Magkano sir? 30.
Ito po, sir. Ibalik pa na sila.
Up, guys. So good. Sabi nila, mangosteen flavor daw yung black. And hindi ako makain nun. Ano, sarap siya. My foreigner is here nag-explain that the water out here, it's the spring releases so much water that it's enough to supply the water source for the entire Lago Town. So, dito daw nagaling, according to him. Parang foreigner na nag-settle dito and local na siya. Let's ask what made him decide to stay here further.
May maliliit ka.
Pag kumain ka nun, par
puso lang ka. Na,
So we are done guys sa Polo Polo. Nakaligo tayo and it's so relaxing and refreshing. So, diba, I was planning to eat lunch muna. But, kasi, when I got out from the Kambugahay, nag-ano ako, nag-ice cream. So, nabusog ako. So, sabi ko, punta na lang ako here muna. Then, I'll go back sa accommodation to change. Kasi, ano oras pa lang naman. So, yun na lang gawin natin ngayon after. And, mag-lunch and let's see saan pa tayo pwedeng pumunta. Let's go guys. Let's eat our lunch. And, I'll bring this with me kasi ipapa-laundry natin. Then, kukunin lang natin later kasi basa mga pinangligo. We're gonna bring this here. Dito. Diretso lang. I don't even know where I'm going. I hope I'm going the right way. Diretso ba? Let's see. Oh, I can see it from here, guys. Our food is here, guys. Look. What the hell? What was that? Done here. Thank you. We're done here. My time. And we even brought takeouts kasi hindi ko maubos yung order ko. Yes. Malaki ng serving. Like half lang nakain ko. And yung fries, 10 wedges lang ng fries ang nakain. Like look, ang ganda. Let's go back. Let's eat crepe for dessert. Then after that, mag-coffee tayo. Ay, ko, anong ginawa ko dito? Kumastos. So here guys, we're here at Mr. Crepe and we ordered something. We ordered the banana Nutella crepe or crepe. Then let's see, and I added whipped cream. Kasi this is one of the recommendation of the other tourists sa TikTok. So we have to try. It's here guys, look. So yum. I'm not really a fan of banana, pero since this is highly recommended, we'll have to try the banana with Nutella. And baka ito pa magpapa-change ng opinion ko about bananas. Let's try this. Iyak-iyak siya guys, napasok. Because it's so hot. So good. So I think babalik muna tayo guys sa accommodation. And then mag-coffee for the sunset. Malaki ng alon, makakauwi pa ba ako nito? We're going to watch the sunset guys sa maybe sa Shaka na lang. Kasi I already went to Canopy last time and ayoko mag-go cafe kasi I'm not really a fan of, I don't know, I don't get the hype there. So ayoko na doon. So let's go sa Shaka. They gave me a little number so they will serve it. Papunta sa I think I found the perfect spot right here. We're here guys, we're already at Shaka's. And I found my spot right here and we'll wait for our order. But while we do that, I think I'll have to edit my videos already. Look at that. Although the beach is not that picturesque, but it'll do since we're going to watch the sunset. I brought my iPad so that I can edit my videos during my free time, since I think I'll be posting. I'm not posting it like for the public, but maybe for my personal consumption. And they gave me this little, what do you call this? It's not palado. I don't know what they call this, I forgot. So they will serve my latte here in a while. So kamatch ko pa talaga yung kamatch ko pa talaga yung color. I'm blending to the background guys. So I think one thing about going here or roaming around the island or even traveling alone itself is very exhausting, and parang it's a waste in a sense of, or in the sense of if you're not parang confident enough to ask a stranger to take photos of you. So what I did for me is I took videos instead kasi di ba parang nahiya siya magpa-picture sa ibang tao, pero filming myself isn't that much of a hassle naman. And one thing I think everyone should know about Sikihor is that they are plastic free, or at least they're trying their best to get rid of plastics here kasi they don't allow like plastic packaging, plastic straws. Look at that. It's perfect. So we have our drink here. Oops. This is ube coconut latte. So let's have a taste of the drink, guys. I'm actually quite curious kung lasang like the shake on siya. But madali po sa wait, sorry. I thought I tasted caffeine in that first sip, so like that explains why I reacted like that. But no, parang at the end of my sip, nandun yung ube. Parang coffee yung first note. First note? Wait, I think I'm right. It has coffee. It was ube coconut latte. But isn't latte like literally means just milk? So why does it have caffeine? Great thing was that like the coffee is just right to the point that parang yung ube is ang ipapaw pa rin.